Hello there, my fellow copywriters. Today we are going to discuss about the topic which is everyone in the world is looking for, whether it be a startup owner, businessman, salesperson, and more importantly, you as a copywriter. You are also looking for the same thing: how to persuade your audience. As a copywriter, your goal is not just to inform your audience, but also help them make a decision. Help them, your audience, to know about a product or service and to persuade them to take action. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or even just having them sign for some links or going through some web pages. Its ability to influence your audience that separates you from becoming a great copywriter. So how can you become more persuasive in copywriting? The first step is to understand your audience. Who are they? What are their needs and what are their pain points? What motivates them to take certain actions? Once you have that good understanding of your audience, right, you can tailor a message. It is as simple as that. You can tailor a message and it will resonate with them. Because what you have done, you have hit their pain points, and as a human being, we don't want to have pain. We want to eradicate that pain from our life. That is the power of persuasion. One effective way to persuade your audience is by using social proofs. So what exactly is social proof? Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to buy your product. Is the idea that people are more likely to take action if they see that others are also doing the same thing. Like if I am going to a market and I want to buy a pen, and I think during my school days, I used to buy that pen which is most popular among all the students, all my classmates. So this is the form of social proof. And how you can use it in copywriting? It can be in the form of testimonials, customer reviews, or even just statistics that shows how much popular is that product, that show the popularity or the success of a product or services. Moving forward, the next most popular thing in copywriting is storytelling. I think all my videos you have resonated it, and this is one of such kind where I am again emphasizing on storytelling. People love stories, and a well-crafted narrative can be a powerful persuasive tool in getting your messages across. So you have to use examples and anecdotes to illustrate how and what your product can be done, what product is doing. Illustrate your point and make it more relatable to your audience. Of course, it's not just what you say, it's also how you say it. Your tone of voice, your word choice, and overall writing style can all impact how persuasive you are. And if you're not confident on it, I think that will be a deal breaker. So you have to be confident and try not to be pushy. Otherwise, if you're trying to persuade your audience and audience seems you're not trying to sell them, you're trying to sell them more. So it seems like they are not going to buy from you. So you have to use the words that evoke emotions and create a sense of urgency, and it does not look like you are trying to sell them. They should buy. Like one more important line is, I would say, people love to buy and hate being sold. Again, I will repeat. People love to buy and hate being sold. So this is a guru mantra. You can by heart it and use it in your daily practice as a copywriter, marketer, or anyone. So I think you already know what is call to action. Like, it is another aspect of persuasion. So I will be creating one video where I will be discussing what are the laws of persuasion and how you can use it in copywriting. That will be a separate video where I will be discussing 6 main points of persuasion, and you can make, like, marketing is all about how you can persuade, but have a difference between persuasion and manipulation, because for persuasion you are helping them to make decisions that will help them. Manipulation is you are making them make decisions that will help you. One is selfless, one is selfish. So you have to make sure on which side you are. So here you have it. And by understanding your audience, your social proof and storytelling, creating a persuasive writing style, and using effective call to actions, you can become more persuasive and a successful copywriter. Remember, it's not about forcing your ideas to others. It's about finding a common ground and working together, having a shared goal. Thanks for listening and happy life.